In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Attack on Titan Revolution on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find and join the Attack on Titan Revolution experience on Xbox. Now, I just want to make something very clear. You will notice that I am doing this process on PC, but don't worry, it is going to be exactly the same for Xbox. I'm only recording on my PC for convenience and higher quality for the video. All that you have to do is open Roblox on Xbox or any other platform, and using the search function, look for Attack on Titan. Keep in mind that there are a lot of Attack on Titan experiences, so you have to look for Revolution. Make sure that you join this one. There are other similar experiences like Attack on Titan Evolution, and those might be different from what you are looking for. But if you find this one, you will be able to confirm that it is the official one because it is made by AOTR, verified, and it has more than 100 million visits. All that you have to do is go ahead and join. If you have a controller, everything will be adjusted. So as you probably noticed in the description of the experience, they actually have every single button listed. You can rewind the video or go over to the description on your own if you would like to note down the controls. You will be able to select any character that you have on one of the available slots and start playing. You can customize the settings first, but there's not much to change here, just some visual things. You will be able to customize how the game plays, and then all that you have to do is go ahead and choose play. You will load it into the lobby, and you are basically good to go. You will be able to control your character using the left joystick to move around, move the camera with the right joystick, and do all sorts of other actions with the D-pad buttons and triggers on your controller. It is incredibly intuitive to set up, and as soon as you choose play, you will be able to go ahead and join any lobby to start playing. It is simple to do, and you will be able to complete various missions and play on your Xbox or any other platform using a controller. You can also connect the keyboard and mouse to your console, and you will also be able to play that way. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Attack on Titan Revolution on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.